What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Happy New Year to all of you guys. I just want to come. Today is the 31st of December. I just want to come and say Happy New Year to you, to your family, to everyone that you know. I hope you guys are really enjoying your time. I hope you guys have plans today to do whatever you have to do. But I just want to come a little bit live to talk a little bit about what we have been doing. Finish off the year very strong, making sure show you what I have been sourcing today. I just came back. I just came back from sourcing. I was sourcing the last 4 or 5 days. After the Boxing Day, when I had the video, I told you I didn't find anything. So there was no products targeted for Boxing Day, but there were a lot of products for store manager, store special, manager specials product. I'll show you what I have got. At the same time, I want to come here and tell you a little bit about how I'm planning to do my how I'm structuring my 2022. What I have, how to be able to reach your goals is the same thing that I have done with our group. I have sat with them 2 days ago. We had a meeting. We went through each member and went through all their goals and visions and how they can achieve them. And this 2022, we're gonna be in our group. We're gonna be very, very sure. I'm gonna be very sure to make sure I help each one of them in their journey, making sure that they reach their goals. If they have any obstacles, any issues they have, I'll be able to help them when I can. At the same time, I wanna talk to you a little bit about what I'm planning to do for 2022, how to be able to achieve goals, especially if you're starting as a beginner, because all the stuff that we have, all what we build, all that is like part-time and made us realize a lot of things this year. So I want to explain that to you, but at the same time, for all the beginners out there, you need to have baby steps. Small wins gonna lead you to a bigger win. You guys seen the journey that have been done from the beginning with doing this retail and arbitrage as a part-time with a small storage unit, and now we have a big storage unit that has a lot of products. We did over multi six figures this year, which is I'm very happy with it. Only for retail and arbitrage. That's not talking private label, because honestly, for 95% of you, 99% of you, private label is not gonna work because it requires a lot of cash, requires a lot of discipline, there's a lot of hassle, a lot of technicality. But thankfully, our private label is very good. And at the same time, what I have done in 2021 and 2020 is actually I partner up with other people in my private label to make sure that makes it easier. We have double the capital, we have double the energy to be able to achieve the things we have achieved. Now, for sure, we have 3 private label brands. 2 of them, they're doing well. They're okay. The third one is actually the one I got issues with, which was in November. Last November, I started a toy brand, and we're doing very well. We're killing it. But what happened is that I placed an order in July for Christmas, and until today, they're still at the port, and weren't able to sell as much. So I had like almost 3,000 units for Christmas. Actually, I had them in stock because I moved them from one account to another account with my partner. We sold out everything very quickly. We're making very good money. Every day we're selling like really good amount of units, like over 150, 200 units, even with only 2 variations instead of having the 5-6 variation that we have in the existing plan. But things happen, it doesn't matter. We're still hopefully gonna get our units soon, and we'll be able to carry on for Q2, because Q1 usually is going to be slow, and our product it does very well, the toys, especially in spring. So anyways, that's been said, let me go ahead and show you what I have got, and at the same time I'd like to talk to you about a little bit about how you achieve your goals and vision. But you know what, let's talk about goals and vision very quickly. What I have learned, and guys, and what I really recommend for you guys to do is that whatever you have done for 2021, whatever was working, I think you should double down on them, and the things that didn't work, you should cut them, because you need your focus. You don't need to be distracted, especially with running a business like this that has a lot of moving elements. Whether you're doing private label, I know everyone's preaching about private label, but it requires a lot of money, $50,000-$60,000 to be able to start. And all these gurus that you see out there, they're just teaching you, but they're not doing it. But they're so good at talking, they're so good at convincing, they'll get you in. But then they're the only people who are making the money, and you're going to be sitting there doing nothing because you have no experience. But what I'm recommending, what I'm telling my students, start with something that's really with lower risk, things that you can really do well with, things that you can make money, things that you can scale very well with lower risk, and slowly you can build yourself to get into the bigger thing, the private label, building something really sustainable, something that sells very well. But now you have to use your sweat equity. You have to use your sweat to be able to get products, to be able to sell them. And then slow, when you start saving, when you start scaling, when you start reaching plateau, then you can start with private label and anything you want. So that's my opinion. So I think you should write everything down. Do not just wing it. Say, hey, in my head, I want to do private label. I want to go ahead and do retail arbitrage. I want to go ahead and do wholesale, but you don't have an exact plan. Sit down. I sat down with my wife and with our partners, and I was like, you know what? What are we going to do? What do we have done wrong? What do we have done right? And the things we did wrong, how we can improve them. The things that we did right, perfect. Can we improve even better? That's the things that you need to do. And exactly, you have to go down for each business model. Like for example, for us, we have the retail and arbitrage. We have the private label. Sit down, say, hey, what I need to do, how many SKUs I need to source every day, how many SKUs I need to have every month, how many units I need to have every month to make sure I sustain like $20,000-$30,000 in revenue at 20% margin. That means $6,000 to $8,000 in net profit. How you can achieve that? And you need to sit down and plan it slowly. The same thing with private label. What kind of products I need? What I'm going to add? Am I going to do influencers, micro influencers? Am I going to go ahead and add more variation? Am I going to go ahead and add another segment or another niche within my niche? For example, if I'm serving only babies, maybe I want to go to toddlers. From toddlers, maybe I want to go to a little bit adults. Whatever you want to do, you have to sit down and write it down. And that's what I believe you should do. And I hope you set your goals and vision for 2022 and be much better year than 2021. So plan your year. Do not wing it. I used to wing it. I never went anywhere. But anyways, that's what I want to tell you. But now let's show you what I have been sourcing. And today, that's the last sourcing I have. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So guys, what we have so far is basically I have sourced a lot of products. As you see here, guys, these are guys old ones. These are the things, the new ones that I bought. I doubled down on these ones because I get them for $35. If you see here, I have a lot of Legos that are soon to retire, which is I'm very happy with these. I added a lot here. I added a lot here. These are the ones that you guys seen already. I added some here. These ones I showed you. Also, all these Barbies here. If you see all this Barbie, I got them for a very good price. These are where like half off. One tip I will tell you, guys, only source things at 50% off for now, because even if you sell them at the regular price, you still be making money. So for example, this one's 50% off. If I sell it at the regular price, $79.99, I will be still making 10, 20 bucks in each. At the same time, I want to show you the table is also full, which is I did a lot of sourcing. We filled up a lot. This is the 2 bins that I just got. You see here, I got them today, which is I'm very happy. I got some Light Bright at 70% off. And also, do we have stuff there? Good. Also here, I don't know if you can see them, but sorry, it's just a mess. I cleaned up everything here, but let me show you as well. Can you, you cannot open the lid. Oh, you can, yes. Sorry, it was dark. Let me just show you here. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay, all right. So here, if you see, I bought some stuff there. These stuff are brand new. I have all this brand new. These ones are brand new. These old Pokemon Advent Calendar are brand new. And also, I have ordered a lot of products that I'm waiting for them to come in. Also in my truck, I have a lot of products that from online arbitrage. I still have around $6,000 worth of products that are coming in, which is, I'm very happy with that. So far, maybe we spent 20, 25 grand, which is really good because you need to keep hustling, you keep sourcing stuff. And my advice to you to go wide, not to go deep. So do not go ahead and source as how I'm sourcing. Do not go ahead and buy 10 of these. Do not go ahead and buy that many things. If you're brand new, do not go ahead and buy 20 of these. No, go ahead, increment. Go ahead, buy 2 units of each. Have more SKUs, better than have a lot of units of the same SKU, because you're gonna get stuck. But me, what I'm thinking, whatever I'm having, since because I have a good budget, I'll be able to sell 2 today, 2 this month, 2 the month after. So I'm planning for the next 6 months kind of thing. So if I find products like this with a lot of units, I'm getting them because I want to sell them over the next 3 to 6 months. So I'm okay with me sticking with them. But if you're building building capital and you're trying to make money, building with the capital, you need to go with more SKUs, less units. So if I had anything I have, I would have two of everything. Like you see, this is the stuff I sourced also today, which is, and also here, there's other things. I'm sorry, I know I'm all over the place, but here also this, I'm getting into this modular car stuff. They do very well. I got them for 60% off, so I'm very happy with that. So anyways, guys, I don't want to keep you up that much. Happy New Year. All the best for you and your family. Please think about your vision and goals. How are you going to plan? Double down on the things that are working. The things that are not working, cut them off. Cut everybody. Cut all the noise and focus on your business. That's the only thing that's going to help you, help your family, and help you to have peace of mind. 2022 hopefully be a killer year. 2021 for us was amazing. 2020 was a little bit off, and a little bit off, but 2022 hopefully be a killer. And I hope you nothing but the best. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing, hitting the like button. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. And Happy New Year to you guys again. And I'll see you in the 2022. Take care, everybody.